Did you know your gut could be silently sabotaging your health? At 73, Sarah discovered a life-changing secret. Her story will shock you. Sarah felt tired and bloated for years. Doctors dismissed her symptoms as aging. She refused to accept that. Fate. Gut health affects energy, mood, and immunity. Poor gut health can lead to chronic issues. Sarah's journey proves it's never too late. She struggled with digestive problems daily. Simple meals caused discomfort and fatigue. Her quality of life suffered greatly. Sarah researched gut health obsessively. She found high search terms like gut microbiome and digestive wellness. Knowledge became her power. The gut microbiome hosts trillions of bacteria. These bacteria impact digestion and mental clarity. Imbalance triggers inflammation and disease. Sarah learned about probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics restore good bacteria in the gut. Prebiotics feed those bacteria to thrive. She started with small dietary changes. Sugary foods were replaced. With fiber-rich options, her energy levels began to improve. Processed foods harm gut bacteria. Whole foods like vegetables and fruits heal. Sarah's kitchen became her healing space. Fermented foods became her secret weapon. Yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut boosted her microbiome. She felt a difference within weeks. Sarah avoided artificial sweeteners completely. They disrupt gut bacteria balance. Natural alternatives like honey worked better. Hydration was another game changer for her. Drinking water aids digestion and detoxification. Sarah aimed for 8 glasses daily. Stress management transformed her gut health. Chronic stress harms the gut microbiome. Sarah practiced mindfulness and yoga. Exercise played a crucial role too. Walking daily improved her gut motility. It also reduced her bloating significantly. Sarah discovered the power of sleep. Poor sleep disrupts gut bacteria balance. 7 hours nightly made her feel reborn. She avoided unnecessary antibiotics. They can wipe out good gut bacteria. Sarah only used them when essential. Gluten was a hidden culprit for her. Cutting it reduced her inflammation. She consulted a nutritionist for guidance. Sarah embraced anti-inflammatory foods daily. Turmeric, ginger, and oily fish helped. Her joint pain started fading. Bone broth became her gut healing elixir. It's rich in collagen and amino acids. Sarah sipped it almost every day. She tracked her progress with a journal. Noting food and symptoms helped. Patterns emerged that guided her choices. Intermittent fasting worked wonders for Sarah. It gave her gut a rest. She started with a 12-hour fasting window. Gut health supplements were carefully chosen. She researched brands for quality. Probiotic pills became her daily ritual. Sarah learned about leaky gut syndrome. It's when toxins leak through gut walls. Healing it improved her overall wellness. Fiber was her gut's best friend. Oats, chia seeds, and lentils were staples. Her digestion became smoother than ever. She avoided late-night eating completely. It disrupted her gut's natural rhythm. Eating earlier improved her sleep quality. Sarah's skin started glowing unexpectedly. A healthy gut reflects on the outside. Her confidence soared with this change. Community support kept her motivated. Online forums offered gut health tips. Sarah connected with others on similar journeys. She consulted experts for personalized advice. Dietitians and functional medicine doctors helped. Their guidance was worth every penny. Sarah's energy levels were unrecognizable. She hiked with her grandkids again. Her 73 years felt like 50. Mental clarity was another surprising benefit. A healthy gut supports brain health. Sarah's focus and memory sharpened. She avoided fad diets, promising quick fixes. Sustainable changes were her focus. Long-term gut health became her goal. Sarah's story isn't unique to her. Women everywhere face similar struggles. Gut health is a universal concern. Hormonal changes affect gut health too. Menopause can disrupt digestion significantly. Sarah learned to adapt her diet. She shared her journey on social media. Her posts inspired thousands of women. Comments flooded in with gratitude. Gut health research is evolving rapidly. Studies link it to chronic diseases. Sarah stayed updated with credible sources. She avoided over-processed health foods. Many contain hidden gut disruptors. Reading labels became her habit. Sarah's family noticed her transformation. They started adopting her habits. Her kitchen became a gut health hub. She learned about the gut-brain axis. It connects digestion to mental health. Sarah's anxiety levels dropped noticeably. Plant-based foods were her foundation. They're rich in nutrients and fiber. Her meals became colorful and vibrant. Sarah tackled sugar cravings head-on. She replaced sweets with fruit. Her gut thanked her for it. She discovered the FODMAP diet approach. It helped identify trigger foods. Sarah tailored it to her needs. Her doctor was amazed at her progress. Blood tests showed reduced inflammation. Sarah's health markers were stellar. She invested in a high-quality probiotic. Not all supplements are created equal. Researching brands paid off. Sarah's bloating disappeared almost entirely. She felt lighter and more comfortable. Her confidence grew daily. She learned to listen to her body. Gut health requires personalized care. What works for one may not for another. Sarah's journey took patience and persistence. Quick fixes don't heal the gut. Consistency was her greatest ally. She avoided eating out too often. Restaurant foods often contain additives. Home cooking gave her full control. Sarah's story spread beyond her circle. Local news featured her transformation. She became a gut health advocate. She warned against ignoring gut symptoms. Bloating and fatigue aren't normal. Addressing them early prevents worse issues. Sarah's diet was rich in omega-3 south. Fatty fish and flax seeds were favorites. They reduced her inflammation further. She embraced mindful eating fully. Chewing slowly improved her digestion. It also made meals more enjoyable. Sarah's gut health journey wasn't perfect. Setbacks happened, but she persisted. Learning from mistakes kept her going. She discovered kombucha's gut benefits. Its probiotics supported her microbiome. She enjoyed it as a treat. Sarah's energy inspired her community. Friends joined her in gut health challenges. They shared recipes and tips. She avoided extreme cleanses or detoxes. They can harm gut bacteria balance. Gentle, sustainable changes worked best. Sarah's story proves age is no barrier. Gut health can transform lives. Her journey inspires women everywhere. She shared practical tips with others. Start small and stay consistent. Small changes lead to big results. Sarah's transformation wasn't just physical, her mental and emotional health soared. Gut health changed her entire life. She learned about gut healing herbs. Peppermint and fennel soothed her digestion. Herbal teas became her evening ritual. Sarah's grandkids loved her healthy cooking. They didn't miss processed snacks. Her influence shaped their habits to dot. She stayed wary of marketing gimmicks. Many gut health products are scams. Research guided her purchases. Sarah's journey taught her resilience. Health challenges can be overcome. Knowledge and action were her tools. She recommended regular health checkups. Monitoring gut health prevents issues. Sarah's proactive approach paid off. Her story resonates with women globally. Gut health is a growing topic. Sarah's experience offers hope and guidance. She avoided alcohol to protect her gut. It can disrupt microbiome balance. Herbal teas were her social drink. Sarah's transformation was evidence-based. She relied on science, not trends. Credible studies shaped her approach. She learned about gut diversity. A varied diet supports microbiome health. Sarah ate a rainbow of foods. Her journey wasn't about perfection. Balance and moderation were key. She enjoyed treats without guilt. Sarah's gut health improved her immunity. She caught fewer colds. Yearly, her body felt stronger overall. She shared her story to empower others. Women deserve to feel vibrant. Gut health is the foundation. Sarah's advice: start where you are. Small steps lead to big changes. Consistency beats intensity every time. She avoided restrictive diets long term. They can harm gut diversity. Balanced eating was her philosophy. Sarah's transformation took months, not days. Healing the gut requires time. Patience brought her lasting results. She learned to trust her intuition. Gut health is deeply personal. Sarah tailored solutions to her body. Her story proves it's never too late. At 73, Sarah reclaimed her health. Her journey inspires lifelong wellness. If Sarah's story inspired you, take action. Start your gut health journey today. Like, share, and subscribe for more. Your gut health matters more than you think. Join our community for tips and stories. Hit that subscribe button now.